Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable or disable the tracking compatibility in PlayStation VR2. To begin this process, we must have our PlayStation VR2 helmet well connected to the PS5 console. Once we have it connected and turned on, we can go to its configuration. To do this, we will enter the settings option of the main screen. Then click on the category of Accessories, and in the new window, click on PlayStation VR2 in the left panel. Here inside, we will scroll and look for the option of tracking support. We can activate or deactivate it using the switch that you can observe. It is advisable to have this setting activated when we have some kind of tracking error continuously, or if you see that the RV screen scrolls on its own. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.